Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I'm gonna solve this problem, which is pretty basic problem, but if you can understand this, you can apply the same process or the procedure in any kind of conversion related problem. Now I'm gonna solve this problem using C programming language, but obviously if you can understand the concept, you can convert it to C++, Python, Java, or any other programming language. All right. So the problem statement is we have to write a C program, or we can simply say we have to write a program to convert feet to meter. All right. So as I'm gonna using C programming language, so first of all, I need to include my header file, which is include stdio.h, and this is my main function. And let's say I'm gonna create two variable, and that is one is meter and another one is feet. All right. So first of all, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the value of feet from the user and I'm gonna convert that value to meter value. All right. So first of all, I'm gonna say the user that enter the value. All right, and then I'm gonna scan the value. All right, I'm gonna take it to float, or I can use the double. So if I use double %lf comma and then the variable name, and that is right. And now I'm gonna convert the value. For converting the value, I can do the conversion process in the printf, or if I want, I can do, I can use another variable to store the converted value. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna simply create another value, let's say double result, and I'm gonna use the formula. For using the formula, I'm gonna use this. 1 meter is 3.28084 foot. All right, so I'm gonna simply use this. Double result equal to what we checked earlier, 1 meter equals to this foot. So, or actually I don't need another variable because I have already created a distinct variable for this meter equals feet into this value. 1 meter equals 3.28084 foot. So I'm going to use this. Foot, or you can say feet. Let's say foot, change all occurrences, put like this. And now I'm going to simply change the value like this. I'm going to use a new line because I don't want it to exaggerate like here. So printf the value in meter is %lf/n comma and meter like this. Now let me simply save this and run the code. Enter the value input. Sorry, I've done a terrible mistake here, and that is I haven't added the ampersand symbol. If I don't add the ampersand symbol, then nothing is getting stored in this value. So this is becoming 0. As the foot becomes 0, 0 into something becomes 0. So the meter becomes 0. Now let me run this now. 1 foot. All right, I have done a mistake here. As I'm gonna convert the value to meter, what I need to do, 1 foot equal to 0.3048 meters. So I'm gonna use this. Now it should work. Sorry, I forgot to save the code. And now it should work. Enter the value in foot. Meter is like this. And then let's say I'm telling it that 25 foot 7.620. Let's see. 25 foot 7.62. Yes, it's working. Now if I want it to concatenation, if I want to apply the concatenation after the two value fractional value, then I can use 0.2.